In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pinterest for personal branding fast and easy. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or looking to make a unique impression online, Pinterest can be your secret weapon. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to leverage Pinterest effectively. First things first, head over to Pinterest by opening your preferred web browser and typing Pinterest into the search bar. Click on the first link that appears. It should take you directly to the Pinterest homepage. Once you're there, if you don't already have a Pinterest account, setting up one is simple and crucial for building your personal brand's presence. Moving forward, an essential step is to claim your website on Pinterest. Doing this requires you to connect your site or portfolio to your Pinterest account. This connection not only authenticates your content but also builds trust among your audience, signaling that your profile is credible and reliable. It's like telling Pinterest users that your content is the real deal, straight from the source. Now let's talk about boards. Creating branded boards is vital. Think of them as thematic collections that align with your branding. For instance, if you specialize in personal growth, marketing tips, or fitness motivation, make separate boards for each. Be strategic and use SEO-friendly titles and descriptions packed with keywords relevant to your niche. A polished profile with a branded cover image for each board exudes professionalism and cohesiveness, attracting more pinners to follow and engage with your content. Next, dive into designing on-brand pins. Consistency is key here. Use the same colors, fonts, and visual styles across all pins to build recognition. You can harness tools like Canva, which offer ready-made templates to make this process painless and efficient. Add your logo or name subtly to each pin, ensuring your brand name is reinforced every time someone sees it. Sharing value-driven content is the heart of thriving on Pinterest. Consider pinning blog posts, YouTube videos, podcasts, or portfolio samples. Let your boards be a mix of your creations and curated content that aligns with your brand values. The goal is not just to promote, but to provide helpful content that reflects your expertise and adds value to your followers. Furthermore, leverage keywords strategically. Incorporate them across pin titles, descriptions, alt text, and board names. Think about what your audience is searching for. Terms like career growth tips or wellness routines might be relevant. Remember, Pinterest functions as a search engine, and using the right keywords can significantly boost your visibility. Lastly, don't forget to track and improve your efforts using Pinterest analytics. Identify which pins are driving the most engagement and adjust your strategy accordingly. Focus more on successful design styles, keywords, or topics. Refreshing old pins with updated visuals can also increase their reach and maintain your presence as dynamic and current. By implementing these steps, you're on your way to establishing a strong personal brand on Pinterest. With commitment and strategic execution, you'll not only attract a wider audience, but also solidify your mark as a knowledgeable and valuable contributor in your field.